Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm just gonna make some quick changes to the eco-worthy solar panel. Make it so it's more set up the way I want it on my Jeep. For instance, I'm gonna cut these connectors off. I'm gonna run Deutsch connectors, and I'm gonna make connectors that are permanently mounted to my battery. So then it's a matter of when I set up camp, I just plug it in. And also if I need to use this for whatever reason, it'll be hooked up to another connection. So those are marked 1, 2, so you got to be careful when you assemble this. In my case, ground's going to be positive. Slide that in. I'm just going to run a meter on there. Make sure I have resistance. Everything is good. Now, as you can see, I just taped it up there just to give it a little bit more protection. And then I'm going to throw this on there too, so that when the hood is closed on this or resting on it, it's not going to cause any further damage. So now I'm going to build the terminal that's going to go onto the batteries. Just going to use these little ring connectors right there, and then that part of the Deutsch connector. Wherever long you want it really is not relevant, as long as you can reach your battery connections. So this is where you make sure you don't screw up. You said pin number 1 was going to be power. And then number 2 is going to be ground control. And there you have it. This piece is created, so I can permanently hook that up to the battery now. Now my battery terminals just have those bolts on the side, so I'm just going to remove the nuts. So I got it wired in. I got a dummy connector right there to help prevent water and all that other crap from getting in there. So if I have it hooked up correctly, all I gotta do is plug it in, and that should light up. Either that or smoke's gonna come out of the wire. There we go. It works. Now I like that setup a lot better than using those battery clips, because now I don't have to worry if I got a good connection or not, because you can obviously see right there. I'm good to go. So these clips are going to be the same way. I'm going to desolder them, put some new wires in there. Just got the pigtail created. I don't know what they used on those connections, but whatever they used was not melting off at 400 degrees. I also threw some tape around the handle, helps take the stress off the wire. Because over time, with the wire wiggling, it's gonna break off. So that will help prevent it. So as you can see, using the Deutsch connector, plugs in. Same thing. I'll hook it back up to the battery terminals. It should power up. And everything will work as it should. So there's the setup right here. It's the eco-worthy 120 watt solar panel. Each panel's 30 watts, foldable. And that's the mods I did to make it work better for me when I'm in my Jeep in the bush. I want to know in the comments below what you guys think of the mods I did. And if you guys were going to do something, how would you do it differently? Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.